painting tips have always been some of the most popular simple solutions. Joe has a couple fresh ones.
Well, these have to do with interior painting, where typically you use a roller frame like this. Now this one you can see is brand new and nice and clean. But what happens if you don't clean it after every use, you end up with caked on paint. What happens is next time you use it, some of these little paint chips can come off onto the new finish.
Hey, this looks a little familiar.
Yeah, I took this out of your garage. You've been doing a really nice job maintaining that. Now here's a nice clean one, and what you want to do to maintain it and keep it that way is take some painter's tape, which is this blue masking tape, and tear off a length and put it right onto the metal frame itself. Just pinch it over, and you can continue all the way down the handle, but this part is what gets most of the paint spatter in this little area here. And pinch it on, just spin it, make sure it's not preventing the roller sleeve from turning. And that alone, just using that, and every time you use it to clean that off, you have a nice, perfectly good frame.
That's a good idea. That's great. And with the type of tape that it is, it's real easy to come off later on.
Right, because it's painter's tape.
Yeah, okay.
Now the other tip has to do with using a brand new roller sleeve, which when it first comes out of the pack, you can see, especially around the ends, you have a lot of this loose lint. And this will come off in the paint the first time you use it if you don't wet it down and wash it off. So what I like to use is just a spray bottle. It's like a plant mister with water. You just get this good and wet, and then roll off the excess water. You can do it on a clean paint tray or actually right on the wall itself. And what that is will get rid of all that lint before you put it into your paint.
Oh, great idea.